Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Lady Tarot. Magkakaroon tayo ng tarot reading kung ano ang inyong maging kapalaran sa pagpasok ng year 2024 para sa ating mga Leo baby. Okay, let's start. So, first card, we have Queen of Inspiration or Queen of Wands. Second is Six of Emotions or Six of Cups. And next is Muse of Emotions or King of Cups. Wait lang. Parang medyo malabo yung ano. Wait. Ano, okay, ganun talaga siya. I'm sorry, guys. Pero, okay. Back to the reading. So, Leo, mukhang, let's say na magbabalik tanaw ka this 2023, yung mga nagawa mo nun, kung ano yung mga na-achieve, and yung mga things na hindi mo rin na-achieve or yung mga hindi mo na gawa yung plano. And I can see na this pagpasok of 2024, you will have the determination or the motivation para magawa yung mga hindi mo nagawa nitong 2023. So talaga napaka dedicated mo. For example, in any case na hindi or ayun nga, yung 2023 may set kang or in any case magda-diet ka tapos may nakaset kang weight na dapat ganito ka at the end of the year and apparently parang hindi mo masyadong na-hit. So this year, you will able to hit the goal. For example nga yung pagda-diet. So this 2024, you will able to hit the goal of having that kind of weight. Yeah. And in any case, may ano din. So you will able to have a much more clarity in your mental state or in your emotional state, I mean. So parang kung dati parang masyadong chaotic yung feelings nyo or ayun nga, parang masyadong chaotic. So this year, you will able to gain peace. Peace of mind, peace of emotions, and peace of spirituality. Yan. And meron pa tayong isang card dito. So we have the koala spirit. Spirit has a plan. Ayan. And so parang ayun, yung year 2024 nyo guys, rest assured, it will all work out. So in any case na may time na parang hindi nyo na-achieve yung gusto nyo, you can just think of it na parang uh, spirit has a plan for you. Kasi parang hindi nga yun kasama sa plan nila para sa iyo. Or kung hindi man spirit, yung higher or in any case, or pwede natin sabihin si God or yung kung sino man yung pinaniniwalaan nyo guys, may nakalaan silang plano para sa inyo. So in any case na may pintong magsarado, mayroong pintong magbubukas na parang karapat-dapat para sa inyo. Ayan. So, let's move forward sa inyong love life reading. Kung ano ang masasabi ng mga baraha para sa inyo. Let's clear this out first. Okay. So, first card, we have, uh, okay, Three of Materials. It represents na Three of Pentacles, Queen of Voices, tapos the Sun. Okay. So, in any case, dito guys, kung nasa work kayo, nasa office, or something like that, there's a chance na there's someone from your work na nagkaka-interest sa inyo or having their eye for you, on you, I mean. And, or baka pwede din natin masabi na maging way yung ka-work nyo para ipakilala sa inyo yung or maipakilala sa inyong tao or yung friend ng ka-work nyo. Ganon. And I can see na parang hindi nyo masyadong inaano ang situation or parang deadma lang kayo. Ganon. Kasi Queen of Voice. More on sa mind kayo. Hindi nyo masyadong pinangungunahan or hindi nyo pinapangunahan yung mind nyo ng damdamin. But then again, I can see na there's a positive result kasi meron tayong the sun. So there's a high chance na you will able to meet someone, an ideal partner or yung crush nyo na maging kayo at the end. And ayun, talagang malaki yung chance na magkaroon kayo na love life this 2024. For in any case, na single kayo. And kung in a relationship naman, so this just represents na kayo ni partner nyo mas and or mas lalo pang ano ba tawag dito? Ano bang word yun? So, parang you will be on a teamwork with your partner. So, mas magiging maganda yung inyong samahan. And both of you know what to do, kung ano yung dapat gawin. And ito, the sun. So, it just represents na maganda yung magiging outcome or talaga napaka-happy ng inyong overall relationship status or yung inyong mararanasan. Okay. So, that's what we have. I'm sorry guys, pero inaayos ko talaga yung camera. Ayaw niyan luminaw. My God. Nilinaw ba kapag lights on ata, malabo siya eh. Malabo din. Please bear with me na. Okay. Let's move on with your quick month by month tarot prediction. Kung ano yung masasabi ng oh, hindi, sorry. Eto, nakalimutan natin sa love life. So, priorities. So, you understand the paramount importance of manifesting love in all situations. Yan. So, ayun nga, parang inuuna or alam niyo yung dapat niyong i-prioritize. Kaya mas inuuna niyo yung isip kaysa yung sa damdamin. And alam niyo rin na in the end, darating din yung para sa inyo. Tapos, keep on manifesting, guys. Okay, moving forward, ayun nga yung sa sinasabi ko. Um, let's do a quick month by month tarot prediction. Leo. Okay, starting with the month of January. Ano kaya masasabi ng mga balaha para sa inyo? Okay, so we have Page of Materials and Eight of Inspiration. So, yung Page of Materials, it's Page of Pentacles. Tapos yung Eight of Inspiration ay Eight of Wands. So, in any case na meron kayong business na tinaguyod or pinagpapatuloy, I can see na tuloy-tuloy lang yung ano, magiging takbo ng business niyo. There's nothing to worry about and mabilis din yung magiging, let's say, pasok ng mga clients or in any case na nagwo-work nga kayo sa mga gano'ng type of, jobs, for example, BPO or call center. So, there will be a lot of calls coming. So, kung ang inyong quota ay or kung binabayaran kayo per quota, I can see na mai-hit niyo yung quotang yun. Okay, so let's move with the month of February. Okay, so we have six of materials and justice. So, dito, parang ito yung month na kung saan magkakaroon kayo ng balance. And in any case naman sa work, so I can see na lahat ng inyong pinagtrabahuan or all of your hardships will be paid for. So baka malaking bonus or kung mahirap yung dinanas nyo sa work, I can see na malaki yung maibibigay na sahod sa inyo or may karagdagang bonus. Tapos, ayan, justice. Talagang it represents balance. Talagang napaka-balance ng month nyo this February or this upcoming February of 2024, Leo. And in any case na meron kayong uh, or may kinalaman kayo sa government or there's a case ongoing, I can see na there's a high chance for you to win the case. Yeah. So, napaka-balance this February. Moving on with March. Okay. We have 10 of emotions. Oh, 9 of emotions. Okay. So, March, Leo, I can see na isa ito sa or ito yung pinakamaswerte or isa sa pinakamaswerte niyong buwan for year 2024. So, it represents family, napakasaya nyo, or in a relationship, or being in a relationship kung single kayo, talagang it represents happiness. Happiness overall. So, overflowing happiness dito. Tapos meron pa tayo and in any case na meron kayong hinahangad or wish na gusto nyong mangyari, there's a high chance na yung wish na yon ay matutupad or it will be guaranteed. So, in any case na magkaroon ng jowa, ayan, there's a high chance na to be in a relationship kayo, guys, Leo, this month of March. Or kung in a relationship naman, mas lalo pang magdi-deep ang inyong love sa isa't isa or planning for marriage din or magkaroon ng anak or ayun nga bumuo ng sariling pamilya. Okay, so moving on with April, let's see kung ano masasabi ng baraha para sa inyo. Oh, meron tayong World Cosmo at the Star. Ah, okay, parang hindi lang pala March ang maswerte or magandang buwan para sa inyo, Leo. April din pala. Ayan. So, April, parang or this month, talagang napaka-kontento niyo sa buhay. Parang lahat ng pinangarap niyo for the year of 2024, nakuha niyo na agad this month of April. Parang success agad. Parang wala na kayong hihilingin pang iba. So, kung ano man yun, yung nasa isip nyo, you will able to attain those. So, for example nga, in a relationship, being in a relationship, or makabayad sa lahat ng utang, makalipat ng bahay, makakuha ng bahay, anything like that. You will able to attain those in the month of April. Okay. So, ang ganda. So, March, April. You can take note of that, Leo, na isa sa mga magagandang buwan para sa year of 2024. Let's move on with the month of May. Okay, so we have Three of Emotions or Three of Cups. Oh, lumabas ulit siya. World Cause. So, guys, Leo, oh my God. 3 consecutive months. March, April, May. Parang ang haba ng inyong ano, ayan. Hindi naman sa nagrereklamo, napapasana all na lang tayo, ganyan. Ang ang ganda. Parang sunod-sunod, sinundan. So, Three of Emotions or Three of Cups, it represents celebration or winning and having or bonding with your friends, family, tapos ayun nga yung world, parang wala na kayong hinahanap pa. Talagang happy-happy lang kayo. Sobrang saya. Wala na, parang nasa inyo na ang lahat. Papasanaw na lang tayo, Leo. Sunod-sunod, talagang 3 consecutive months na ang ganda ng ano, resulta para sa inyo, Lee. I'm so happy for you. And tingnan natin, this June, may tuloy-tuloy nga ang inyong ano, happiness or mga blessings or biyaya na dumadating sa inyo. Ah, let's see. Okay. Lumalabas talaga siya. Three of Emotions. Nakailang ano na ako. Tapos Ace of Inspiration. So, ayun nga, Three of Emotions, pagkakasabi nga natin kanina, three it represents cups, Three of Cups, tapos Ace of Inspiration, it's Ace of Wands. So, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung inyong winnings from uh, May. Ayun nga, you will still having fun with your family and friends or having connection, deep connection with them. Tapos Ace of Inspiration, talagang ang dami niyo na naiisip na mga ideas. Talagang napaka-passionate yung tao, Leo. So, ayan, tuloy-tuloy, 4 consecutive months na. So, tama ba? June 'to 'no? Okey, nag-umpisa sa April or hindi, March, April, May, June, 'yan. So, 4 out of 12 months na malaking bagay 'yun, magkakasunod pa. Okay, let's move on with July. Tingnan natin kung same. Okay, Ace of Materials. And, ibahin naman natin. Talagang ang ganda, eh. Ayan. So, Ace of Materials ay Ace of Pentacles. Tapos, Page of Inspiration ay Page of Wands. So, dito, since parang tuloy-tuloy na or since tuloy-tuloy na nga yung magandang pasok nung March, so you are trying some other things na, let's say about earning money. So baka magbalak na kayo magtayo ng business or in any case, humanap ng work na mas magandang opportunity or baka naman mas ma-promote kayo sa inyong current work that month. So, Eto, page of inspiration, nung nakarang month nga ay Ace siya. Ito naman ay page. So, dito, tinuloy-tuloy niyo lang yung pagiging passionate niyo or yung pagiging active, yung positivity, guys. Or, oo nga, Leo. Tinuloy-tuloy niyo lang. And you take the chance to, ayun nga, gamitin yung swerte or yung magandang nangyayari sa inyo para sa pagkita ng pera. So let's move on with August. Oops, what's this? Okay, meron tayong four of voice at nine of inspiration. So this month of August para sa inyo, Leo, para nag-take, ah, nag-break muna kayo sa mga nangyayari kasi parang, let's say natatakot na kayo kasi parang sunod-sunod lahat ng mga magagandang nangyayari. Baka malaki yung balik or something like that. So, you take a break, for enjoying. Parang nag-ano muna kayo, ayan. Or inanakis na nasa healing stage kayo. Ito, nakikita ko yan. Maganda yung inyong road to healing. And nine of inspiration. So, ayan, parang ito na yung time na medyo magiging challenging. Kasi parang medyo nababurnout na nga kayo. Sabihin nga natin or parang ito yung time na medyo nakaranas kayo ng burnout. Di natin sure kung saan. Puwede din nating masabi na ito yung sa work or yung sa promotion or yung mga binigay nga nating example kanina for the past month of July. So, para medyo nagkakaroon ng challenge. Kaya naman nag-take a break muna kayo. Yan. August, let's now move with the month of September. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano masasabi para sa inyo. Uy, lumabas ulit siya, Ten of Emotions, tas Queen of Inspiration. Okay, Leo, so parang naka-recover na kayo 'no, dun sa month of August. So bumalik uli kayo sa, ayun nga, sa pagiging or naging active uli kayo, naging passionate, ganyan. So, umano uli kayo ng energy of positivity and experiencing overflowing happiness this month of September. So, parang naglag lang yung kaninang yung August, naglag lang. Parang pinapahinga lang muna kayo. Parang sabi, masyado na kayong nakakaranas ng sobrang, sabihin natin tuloy-tuloy na inyong mga blessing. Bigyan naman muna natin kayo ng konting challenge para mas ma-appreciate niyo yung mga upcoming blessings to come. Gano'n. So ayan, you are able to appreciate yung mga nasa paligid niyo, Leo, and you are now able to appreciate, your family, yung your loved ones, ganyan. So overflowing happiness ulit this month. So September, let's move on with October. Okay, we have Nine of Materials, tapos Five of Inspiration. So, Nine of Materials, it's Nine of Pentacles, tapos Five of Inspiration is Five of Wands. So, etong month na 'to ay parang medyo challenging para sa inyo, guys. Pero nakikita ko namang magtatagumpay kayo in the end. Or let's say na may kakumpetensya kayo sa business or sa work. Nakikita kong kayo yung mas papaboran and you will be abundant in finance, guys. Ayan. It's a month of wealth. despite of the challenges or ayun nga competition. Pero magwawagi naman kayo, Leo, nakikita ko dito. So, October, let's move on with November. Whoops. So we have Ace of Emotions at Eight of Inspiration. Oh. So Ace of Emotions ay Ace of Cups, Eight of Inspiration ay Eight of Wands. So in any case na yung mga past month na magagandang nangyari sa inyo ay hindi pa rin kayo pinalad magka-jowa or something like that. So this will be a month na malaki ang chance na magkaroon kayo ng partner or maging kayo ni crush or ni ideal person na nasa mind. And I can see na mabilis na mangyayari yon. Either sila yung mag-i-step up or gagawa ng first move para sa inyo ng communication. And ayun, parang tuloy-tuloy na after that. So there's a chance na ayun nga, maging kayo in the end. So i-manifest natin yan. So November, we will now go to the last month, which is December. Let's see. Oh, we have Malabo na naman ng camera. May topak to, eh. Sorry guys. Ah, ano ba 'to? The Devil. Hindi talaga siya lumili 'pag ganyan malabo. Ayan, dito malinaw siya. Ayan. Okay, we have the Devil, tapos Page of Voices or Page of Swords. So dito guys, Leo, I can see na you will go all out fun, pleasure. So parang gagawin niyo lahat ng mga, gusto niyong gawin kung saan magpapasaya sa inyo. And I can see na despite of those, you know what you are doing. So you're not taking risks or you're not, let's say, harming other people sa ginagawa niyong fun or something like that. It's just simply fun. You are appreciating all of the good things na nangyari this or the year of 2024, and you are keeping mind and learning from those experiences. Yeah. So, ayan guys. So far masasabi kong isa kayo sa pinakamaswerteng sign na makakaranas ng good things this upcoming 2024, and hopefully it resonates. And if you like this video, please give me a like and share it as well. You can subscribe to my channel for more coming videos to come. Goodbye.